Hey there, amazing creators! Welcome to this super fun and beginner-friendly tutorial on the Consistent Character Builder tool. I'm your enthusiastic guide, and we're about to dive into a world of creativity where you can craft detailed prompts for generating consistent character images using AI tools like Artistly, Midjourney, or Flux. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at turning your ideas into professional results. Let's jump right in and make some magic happen. First up, let's get started and log in. This tool is all about personalization, so open your web browser, on the left menu, select Optimized Prompts, and then select Consistent Character Prompts. This takes you to the Consistent Character Builder page. Once you're in, you'll spot that eye-catching header section with the title, Consistent Character Builder. Create 10 perfect angle prompts plus full character sheet, Artistly, Midjourney, Flux ready. Don't forget the Back to Tools button in the top left if you need to explore more and go back to the dashboard. Now, on to the fun part, exploring the input sections. These are like your creativity playground, divided into easy cards that make everything straightforward. Start with the character name and gender card, type in a cool name like Zyrath the Enigma, and pick from the drop-down for gender, with options like male, female, or even non-binary, androgynous. If nothing fits, select Other to add your own twist, like gender-fluid alien. Isn't that handy? Keep the energy going with the age and body card. Choose an apparent age from the drop-down, such as Ageless Immortal for a fantasy elf, or use the custom option for something unique like Ancient Wizard. Then, pick a body type like Athletic Muscular for your spy character. Options are endless. Next, hop to Race Species and select from humans to robots, or go custom for a dragon hybrid. And don't miss art style and lighting. Pick Pixar 3D animated for a playful vibe, or cinematic dramatic lighting for that epic mood. Finally, in outfit and special features, choose an outfit theme like fantasy armor, and describe details in the text area, such as long blue hair, glowing green eyes, and a scar. These inputs are flexible and work together to build your dream character. Let's make it epic. All right, time for the big moment, generating your character sheet. Once you've filled in those details, scroll down and hit that vibrant Generate 10 Angle Character Sheet button. Watch the magic unfold as it sends your inputs to the AI backend. You'll see a spinning loader and a message like, creating your perfect consistent character. For instance, if you named your character Kai Ren as a young adult elf with a cyberpunk style, it will whip up 10 prompts for angles like full body front or close-up portrait, all designed to keep your character looking consistent. How cool is that technology? Now let's check out the results. This is where it gets really thrilling. After a quick moment, a new section pops up with your full consistent character sheet, showing a numbered list of prompts you can copy and paste straight into your favorite AI tool. For example, it might say, 1. Full body front, a detailed image of Kai Ren, an athletic male elf with long hair, in cyberpunk armor. Hit the Copy All 10 Prompts Plus Save button to grab it all and save it to your account. You'll even get a fun toast notification saying Character Sheet Copied. Now go to your favorite AI tools and paste these 10 prompts and create your character. Using Artistly, this is our 10 created images from the 10 prompts created with AI Toolmaker. Pretty impressive, right? As we wrap up, here are some quick tips and troubleshooting gems to keep you going strong. Everything's flexible. If you leave a field blank, it uses smart defaults, so don't stress. Always double-check your inputs for the best results, and if generation hits a snag, it could be a network issue or your limit. Just try again later or reach out to support. You've got this. Wow, what an adventure. You've just mastered the Consistent Character Builder. Now go experiment with styles, like switching to anime or realistic, and see what incredible characters you can bring to life. Thanks for joining me, and happy character building. Keep that creativity flowing. See you in the next tutorial.